I'm so glad you clicked on this video because we're going to be talking about something that's quite hush-hush in the female community, okay? And that is vaginas. No, don't click off because you need this information. Are you somebody that likes to use Victoria's Secret body wash on your kitty cat to make her smell good? Are you somebody that's obsessed with vaginal soaps? Are you someone that's always striving for a kitty cat or a vagina that smells like daisies, flowers, roses, or cotton candy? Well, player, sit back because this video is for you. So, like you and a bunch of the rest of the world that has vaginas, we are obsessed with the smell and the upkeep of our vagina. Because in a male-dominated world, males love to tell their little jokes about, ooh, she smell like fish, ooh, she smell like this, oh, she had this kind of discharge or cheese coming out. They don't even know what they talking about, okay? Because I'm keeping it real. Half the time, if there's a vaginal odor, if there's any difference in discharge, it's usually their fault, okay? Because as women, a lot of us are doing our best to take care of our vaginas. We are literally doing our best. Soaping it up, cleaning, just how we are supposed to. However, there's a flip side to all of this. This is the crazy thing that we're going to talk about, okay? You can buy all the soaps in the world, and it's just going to throw your pH balance off, which is going to start vaginal discharge, which is going to start irritation, and which is going to generally just cause a vaginal odor. So as hard as you may be working to keep your vagina clean, using all of those soaps are actually doing you harm. Now, since everybody tends to take a shower on a daily basis, you don't even notice the harm it's causing, because if any vaginal discharge was to come out, well, you're taking a shower later on tonight with the same soap to wash it out, so you think you're good. Let me put you on game, okay? So, Bear actually teamed up with Kitty Candy. Now, don't get weird when I say these words. I am going to say a lot of vaginal problems come from either sexual intercourse or from any ailments or sicknesses that you might have inside. So, and I don't mean in a weird way, I mean like, for instance, people who have the onstart of diabetes, they actually get yeast infections a lot. Okay, it has nothing to do with their cleanliness. It's just diabetes brings on yeast infections in women. So don't get weird on me in this video, okay? This stuff is really normal. However, it's kind of weird that it's so normal, but so many people don't know how to safely take care of themselves. When it comes to your smell goods, I know you guys love to use those Victoria's Secret body washes and the pH balance soaps and all of that kind of stuff to make your kitty cat smell good. But to be honest, all of those are just chemicals going inside of your vagina and throwing off the pH balance, even if it's pH balance safe, okay? And the reason I say that is because those vaginal washes, they don't do anything that your vagina can't do, because your vagina self-cleans itself. A lot of you guys are actually using those body washes or vaginal washes for the smell of it. And to be honest, the smells that those washes have, they don't actually match the scent of you. So essentially the scent doesn't even stay. And if you're getting odor-free vaginal washes, to be honest, you can get a nice hot rag, and I mean like not on fire, but a nice hot rag, and then when you're in the shower or you're in the bathtub, let the water run down and get in between those lips and get in between those cracks and actually scrub it out. Soap can actually do you harm down there. Soap can cause yeast infection. There's a lot of things that these soaps can cause, okay? Just because it says soap doesn't mean it's good. That's why our vagina naturally cleanses itself, because it's so sensitive. So you have to get in there with that hot rag and do your dirty work of getting in there of each and every crevice and wiping it out and cleaning it and letting the water run, and then let your vagina take its natural juices, oils, and everything and self-cleanse itself, because it knows what its pH balance is. It knows what it's supposed to do to make sure no vaginal odor or any discharge is supposed to be coming out, along with the way that you're eating as well. Because if you're eating trash, your vagina is going to push out sewage. So if it's pushing out sewage because you're eating like trash, then you're going to go in there with a body wash and throw off the pH balance. It's too much, okay? It's quite simple. So if you're really into these smells, instead of using those vaginal washes, try Kitty Candy's like natural elixirs, okay? This brand is all vegan, which is why I love it, because these elixirs you do not put in your vagina, you put on top of your vagina. And when I am working with companies, or even when I'm purchasing from companies, I am looking for their directions of use, okay? So if this would have said put inside your vagina, I would have been like, this company has no clue how vaginas work. I'm not doing that. I'm not buying from this company. I'm not working with this company, etc. Okay? But this literally just goes in your pubic area on top of your vagina, and it smells so good. It smells so good that it has this muskiness to it for when you actually do put it on top of your vagina, that the scent blends in with your natural aroma like effortlessly. So the scent lasts longer, okay? Because a lot of times that's where we go wrong. When you're getting these Victoria's Secret body washes and you're using them for your vajayjay, you have to keep in mind that your vajayjay does not naturally smell like roses, okay? By a long shot. Like, nobody's genitalia naturally smells like roses. So when you go get a rose scent and your genitalia does not smell like roses, it's gonna clash and the scent's not gonna hold. What holds scents are scents that are like each other. Similar scents, they cling together, okay? So the fact that Kitty Candy has these elixirs that have a natural musky like aroma to it, and also has in that yummy delicious scent. They don't have any crazy scents. It's literally sweet smelling almond musky scents that kind of get you like, ooh, there's a little hint of something like flavor in there, and it brings out your natural scent. And I really like that, because when you're eating healthy and you're doing what you're supposed to do, and then you pair your vajayjay with these elixirs, you will have such a blast, okay? Because to be honest with you, this is above PG-13. It's a little bit rated R, but dudes can smell your natural scent. They can smell your pheromones. They can smell all of that, and they like it, okay? Nobody gets turned on by roses. It's just in our DNA. It's in our hardwiring for our pheromones to blast out like that, and then for dudes' ears to perk up a little bit, okay? That is why I love these so much, because they enhance your perk up ability, okay? Now, I know this all sounds weird, but I'm literally wording it this way for those of you who are obsessed with your vajayjay smelling like something, okay? Because for me, I love my natural scent. I don't really need anything to make it smell better or different. I like me, so I kind of don't use anything. So it's surprising that I came across these and absolutely fell in love, because now I get why you guys are so obsessed with it smelling, you know, a little different, like maybe like yum candy or deliciousness, tastiness, okay? I'm with it. Now, if you are somebody who you are using these vaginal washes and you're kind of getting like that itchiness or that discomfort, that dry feeling, this is where they really shine, Kitty Candy, okay? Now, I would highly suggest to stop using those vaginal washes and really take that natural way of just cleaning your vagina with a hot rag and really getting into your crevices, because you cannot get into your lips, your vaginal hole, not your urethra, but touch around your urethra or any of those things with those soaps in the first place. So for those of you who are swearing up and down that yes, I'm putting that soap down there and I'm getting in my vaginal hole and I'm scrubbing out my lips, you are probably suffering from having a very dry, uncomfortable vagina, to be honest with you. And if you're not, everybody's different. Maybe that wash works for you. Keep doing it if it works for you. But if you are finding that you tend to be dry throughout the rest of the day, or maybe you have vaginal discharge or even the smallest bit of discomfort, then you are going to want to try out their 5-day vaginal suppositories, okay? It's Adore, Balance, and Wellness. Comes in this little cute box. The Kitty Candy suppositories is all natural product that understands the vaginal ecosystem, as well as how it maintains vaginal balance, which empowers women to work with their bodies for the best health. Our product is made of pure boric acid powder, organic coconut oil, organic apple cider vinegar, and organic aloe vera. KITTTY suppository serves as an antibacterial compound, combating excessive alkalinity and proper pH balance, which leads to the common issues like dryness, itching, unbalanced discharge, acidic vaginal fluid, bacterial vaginosis, vaginal odor, and other conditions. Now, what I like about this is Bear already knows. I am not somebody that likes to get Monistat or myconazole or any of those things from Walmart, because they're just filled with chemicals and I feel kind of uncomfortable. So it really has always led me to want to do everything that deals with my vagina as healthy as possible. Therefore, you probably know that your girl is a massive cranberry juice drinker, okay? I drink cranberry juice like it's alcohol. Like, yo, the bitterness doesn't even affect me because I've been drinking cranberry juice for so long at this point. When I found out that cranberry juice basically gets rid of, but it's more of like a prevention thing, it really helps to prevent. But once you're already in the situation, you kind of have to go the medicinal route at that point. But if I can't make it to the doctor's office, or I'm feeling really uncomfortable and I need something really quickly, I don't like going to Walmart to get those things. Like, it really just irritates me even more. Like, my mindset's messed up, my down there is messed up, I'm having a bad day, I'm irritable. So I love the fact that I can keep these on hand, and these are vegan and these are all natural. Now, on top of eating healthy and of course doing what you have to do for your daily, routine of your vajayjay, these are great to have on hand because they are all natural. Okay, now this is a girl thing right here. Okay, this is really a girl thing. And even if you weren't, I don't want to say comfortable with the things that I said, because mind you, we live in a male dominated world and men don't like talking about this, and it kind of leads to where we're kind of shunned for talking about this. These things do happen, and it's just a vagina. It's just how it works. So you want to make sure you're equipped with what you need. Don't brush it under the rug. Talk to your parents about it if you're younger. If you're older, still talk to your parents about it. I call my mom up if I have any questions, and she's always there. If you don't have somebody, I'm so glad I'm making this video for you right now, okay? Definitely check out this company if you are somebody who's looking for an all-natural alternative, because these things are important. They're not funny. They're not something to make fun of people for. These are important things. For those of you who wash your cootie cat with all kinds of soaps and everything like that, I'm guessing nobody's told you that the vagina is actually self-cleansing. I guess no one's ever explained to you the science and why our bodies do that. And that's fine. No need to make fun of anybody for that. No need to put anybody on blast. No need for people who actually wash their kitty cats with soap to jump on people who are literally out here just scrubbing their vaginas down with water and getting in those cracks and crevices. There's no need for all of that. We're all women. We're all in this together. But what I find is the information is not always there, okay? So I'm trying to be somebody that provides you that bridge, that gap to the information. Now, if there's any more information that you have on vaginas that might be able to help anybody who's watching this video, maybe they're younger, maybe they're too embarrassed to ask their parents, so they're coming to YouTube for information, therefore they don't have to have that one-on-one with somebody about their personals, definitely leave some advice in the comment section. But beware, we are talking about vaginas in a male-dominated world. So if you write the word vagina, if you write anything similar to vagina, genitalia, anything like that, you will probably be put in my spam folder, okay? So we're all women here. Try to navigate through this weird world on the internet where you can't use words like vagina and all that kind of stuff without getting blocked, okay? You know how to do it. Let's call her Teddy, okay? Put in the comment sections what to do to Teddy. All right, don't make it overly weird. If you have anything that is sexual that you would like to give advice on too, like, we all know that after you have sex, you should be peeing in order to, prevent UTIs. Try to navigate through that too, because I don't want you writing sex in the comments and then getting blocked, because anything dealing with sex and vaginas is always great information. So please try to navigate through that. Sorry that the world is weird. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely check out KITTTY. I will leave all of their information in the description box below. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out.